When you call someone with iOS 17 or later, your contact poster is what they see: a full-screen personalized card with your photo and name. Here's how to set one up that actually looks good. Open the phone app and tap Contacts at the bottom. Tap My Card at the very top. Then tap Edit. And tap Edit again next to it. Choose from Camera, Photos, Memoji, or Monogram. Most people use a photo from their library or take a new one. After selecting a photo, pinch to zoom and reposition it until it looks just right. Swipe left or right to preview different poster styles with different layouts and backgrounds. Tap your name to change the font style and color so it matches your photo. Take a moment to fine-tune the design. This is exactly what other people will see when you call them. When you're happy, tap Done. Review the preview, then tap Continue. Tap Use to make it your active contact poster. You can even create multiple posters and switch between them whenever you want. That's it. Your contact poster is ready. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.